Most nations are like that. If you look at the United Kingdom, it's a mixture of different people. You have the English people in England. You have the Welsh people in Wales. You have the Scottish in Scotland. And of course, they are aware of the issues about Northern Ireland. Some resolved, some not resolved up to now. But the important thing is that every nation and the leadership, every nation, including all of you and all of us, at every given time, must be sensitive to those peculiarities and try their very best to build a coalition, to build unanimity, to build consensus. And that is called nation building. Nation building. Gather a nation like this, several nationalities, welded together by our common history, but we can forge a common destiny. And that's why the makers of our Constitution created different mechanisms. First, founding fathers adopted federalism as the most suitable structure for government. And then the makers of our Constitution created or crafted different mechanisms to ensure that in the long